Alright guys, this is J.O.A.T.D. Today in front of you we have a 2009 Scion XB, and today we're going to show you how to repair the horn. Alright, so you hit the horn and the horn's not working. I'm going to show you how to fix it. Now once you remove the bumper, I have a video on how to remove the bumper. Once you remove the bumper, you have two horns. You have one on this side, one on this side. The horn on the right, part number is MRFL03. Okay, the one on the left side is ND012. Okay, so whichever one you need, those are the part numbers for it. So technically all you have to do is take this 12mm nut off. Set it up here. Okay, and on the back, now I had to repair mine. I had to put new ones in, and the wires were cut and ripped and stuff like that. So basically all I did was I crimped on this connector here to a wire. Okay, this wire goes down to the bottom down here. Okay, so these two wires right here are gonna go into one wire, and then they're gonna plug into this horn. See that in there? It's just one connector. Okay, this is how the wire looks, just in case your wire's like damaged or something. It's a white and green wire that goes down to the sensor, and then this black wire that comes out. Okay, so it's a black wire, then it goes into two, which goes into the horn that's on the right side if you're facing the vehicle. And then there's another wire that comes off, single wire, comes down, and it goes to the left one. It is a 12mm to take this off also. Okay. And again, this one was damaged too, but I just made another crimp connector onto the end of the wire and slid it on. And I got these two horns out of the junkyard, and they both work. So that's basically how you replace them. You can actually, you don't have to take the entire bumper off, it just makes it easier, but you can actually change it just by taking the grill out. So if you take the black cover, it's two of them, one here and then another one, and then take the grill out, you'll be able to reach both horns. So you don't have to take the bumper off, but I already had the bumper off. It's a lot easier to show you how to repair or replace them with the bumper off. All right, we're gonna let you hear the horns. Let's see. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put the horns back on. Just take the 12mm bolt, put it back in, screw it back in, and same with this one. Take the horn, put it back in, and you got to remember to make the connection. All right, so that one's on. And when you put it on, put it up to this lip right here and screw it back down. And this one right here, you can just leave straight up and down and tighten it back. Remember, it's a 12mm. And guys, that's it. That's how you replace your horns on your 2009 Scion XB. All right, guys, this is J.O.A.T.D, and I'm out.